Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to drawing and coloring a cute and beautiful pineapple. Let's start drawing. Now I will draw a beautiful pineapple. Then pineapple leaves. That's good. And I'll draw some spots on the pineapple. I'll draw some lines on this side. Now I'll put the tip in the middle of the pineapple. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Coloring the pineapple leaves green. And then my favorite color, green, yellow color inside the pineapple. Okay, it's beautiful. Wow! It's brown color, like this. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!